Hi, it's Christmas time. Welcome to Andil's workshop. Today I will show you how to make a lace Christmas tree. This is an adorable craft idea. You can also decorate it in your living room, in your dining room, or even your bedroom. It looks really amazing, so I hope you like it.
Who likes Christmas?
Who's like Christmas?
To make this fabulous Christmas tree, you just need few materials. I assure you that you're not going to spend too much money. The materials: beautiful lace. I have this one that I got. It's transparent and it's beautiful. What else do you need? It can be this silicone or this one. Pot lids, yes, the things that you use to cover your pots. You need a big one and a medium size, yes, and a small size. You need some scissors, rice light, because they are similar of rice.
Wow!
You need another kind of ornaments that I have over here. You need also cardboard. If you don't have black cardboard, you can also use a foam. This is one side is just foam, the other side is with glitter, and it's a white foam. It's beautiful too. So let's start. First thing that you need is your cardboard. I have a big one, yes, over here, as you can see. And what I am gonna do is that I am going to make 3 different circles with the lids. I'm gonna make a big size. It can be this one, yes. If you don't have a bigger one, I also recommend to use probably a bowl. I got this one too that is really big, and it's better if you want to make a bigger Christmas trees. Yes, I'm sorry if you can listen a noise. It's just that I have these lids together. Now let's start. Of course, we are going to trace the shape of a circle with a pencil. I'm gonna make one. Yes, that is one. Let's cut 3 of them. I recommend to use different sizes of circles, not just these ones from lids. Well, what are you gonna do? Of course, you are going to fold, like making the shape of a semicircle. Looks like an empanada. I'm hungry now. So when you find the center of your circle, what are you gonna do? It's cut this line and this line, like when you have a pizza and you don't want this quarter, yes? So you're gonna have 3 quarters. Observe, 3 quarters. I have the small one, the medium size, and the big one. First, you're going to make like a Christmas tree. Observe, here I have just a simple cone. What are you gonna do? It's paste with some silicone. Small one, the medium size, and the big one. We are gonna start decorating with our lace. So I'm gonna put some silicone here on top of the Christmas tree, and now we're gonna start wrapping everything very well. Observe this beautiful Christmas tree. Yes, I like it. It's adorable. Yes, you can add, for example, this snowflake that can be here on top as a star. Now it's time for the result. Well, it looks fantastic. What do you think? It's amazing.
So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have more ideas, don't forget to send me in the comment section. Give me a like and see you next time for more Andil's Workshop. Merry Christmas!